Today's project is going to be a great one for any beginner blacksmiths or people that just want to sharpen their skills. We're going to be forging some nails out of some steel, and this is going to be great for working on how to draw out that material, how to upset material, and how to keep consistent shape throughout the project you're working on. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first part of this project is we're going to take this bolt that came off of an old leaf spring and we're going to cut the nut on the end off. That will give us a nice long straight kind of bar that we can start drawing out for the nails. So what we're going to be doing right here is we're going to taper this edge down by hammering it on two sides, and that's going to bring us to our point. Right here, I'm hammering the edge of the steel against the edge of the anvil to create a lip, and that is what is going to help hold the boards together. So once you're done with the hot cut, go ahead and clean up the nail, straighten anything you need to out, and get ready to peen the end of it. That's the end of today's video. I've showed you how to make these cool little nails. This is going to be a great project to get your skills up. Some people say make like 100 of these. I think that's a bit excessive, to be totally honest with you. Make like 10, make 20, see where you're at. If you're really consistent with it, heck, move on to something else, man, unless you need nails for something, but you know. We're going to have another project in this series coming up that will also help develop some other skills that you really should have to continue in blacksmithing. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm going to get out of here.